Good morning, sunshine, good morning, day. Good morning, Softies, come out and play. Comfy, cozy, and cuddle too. Say good morning to you.
Humphrey?
Yes, Cuddle?
How soft am I?
How do you mean?
Well, am I very soft, a little bit soft, or not soft at all?
Oh.
Come here, Cuddle, and I'll tell you. Oh! Your head is soft on the outside, but quite hard on the inside.
Casey, you're tickling me.
Cuddle? Your tummy is very, very soft, but very woolly as well. Oh, Cosy, what about my feet? They're definitely harder than your tummy.
Are they hard enough to go up the garden path?
To the potting shed! Hard hats on.
Let's all go up the garden path to the potting shed. This way, that way, around the flower bed. Over, under, to the potting shed.
Oh, it's a big box.
Ooh, I wonder what's in it.
Oh, it's got a hole on the side. Ooh.
Oh, yes.
I know what's inside the box, and you don't.
Oh.
We could put our hands inside the hole, have a feel of what's inside, and guess what it is.
A guessing game.
Yes.
And Cosy can tell us if we're right. You first, Comfy.
All right, Cuddle. Here goes. Ooh, there's nothing nasty in here, I hope.
No, I know there's nothing nasty in here.
Oh, I found something. It's not really soft, but I can press it in. It's a ball shape.
A football? It's full of air, but it's not a football. It's a...
Balloon!
Oh.
Your turn, Cuddle. It's fun.
Oh. Oh, I can feel something very hard.
What shape?
It's pointy at one end. Oh, I can put my fingers inside it.
Is it big?
Yes, it's big and it comes out of the sea.
A whale!
No, it's not that big.
Oh, a seashell.
It's a... seashell!
I got it right.
Well done, Comfy. Oh, it's beautiful. Swap over now, Comfy.
Okay, my turn. Ooh, I found something soft with legs.
Is it a spider?
Well, it's furry and cuddly.
Like me. It's something you like to take to bed with you.
A hot water bottle?
No, it's a...
Oh, a teddy bear.
a lovely little teddy bear.
Oh, what a good game.
That was fun.
Thank you, potting shed.
Thank you.
Teddy.
Oh, we're lucky to live in a soft garden with soft beds to go to.
And a soft sofa to sit in.
The Softie sofa.
The shed is full of many things for us to hear and see, and touch and smell and feel as well. It's fun for you and me. But of all the things we find each day, our favourite has to be the Softie garden Softie sofa made for you and me. Time to get comfy.
And cosy.
And cuddle up.
Goodbye.
Oh, sleepy time. Comfy, cozy, and cuddle too. Sleepy time. The Softies say goodbye too.